love that sign. Welcome to New Brunswick. And just look at the road. It just immediately goes to shit. Really sucks working until midnight and then not getting much sleep at all. And immediately heading out on the bike in the morning. But once you're out here, it is nice. Just finished getting this animal its first service. Brought it back down to the dealership to have that done, just so it's documented and keeps everything legit for the warranty. It's actually the second oil change it's gotten, but hey, whatever. Actually, there's the dealer. It's a great spot. Good people, good service, good prices, no complaints. I actually left there and started heading for the highway to head back home the way I came, but you know, it's only 10 a.m. Still a few hours before I gotta go to work, so I'm not taking the long way home, but enjoy it. Oh, and the other horrible reason I have to be down here is to pick up the first half of my parts order for the ZX-10 rebuild. But once again, the guys at Duguay's got me a pretty good deal on parts, so can't complain too much. And I really can't complain because a friend of mine who races regionally here in the Maritimes and has raced the CSBK Tour, a former race bike that he owned, which was a former race bike that Jordan Zoko, now another one of his friends, owns. So basically this bike has spent its entire life racing. It just so happens that last weekend it dropped the valve on the track. And oh man, after seeing pictures of the damage done there, it makes me not feel so bad about my own. It's going to be a much more expensive rebuild for that one. Destroyed cylinder head and all. So now I don't have all the parts I need, but I've got enough that I can get the head over to the machine shop and let them do their thing. Get that valve guide replaced. All these parts stashed in my backpack. This little chest strap that goes across the front is going to whip me in the face all the way home now. I just realized today's Friday the 13th too. I think I'm not exactly superstitious. Kind of guessing I won't have time to get my cylinder head over to the machine shop today, but I don't think it matters too much anyway, because they probably won't be able to touch it till Monday or maybe even later. Hopefully not too much later. It's not a huge job for them, so I'm hoping they can squeeze it in and get it done pretty quick. I love that sign. Welcome to New Brunswick. And just look at the road. It just immediately goes to shit. I guess it's still a much funner way back into New Brunswick than the highway anyway. At least it's got that going for it. It's actually some kind of biker get-together festival thing, I don't know. Going on back in Amherst this weekend. What do you know? I'm sure that's where most of these guys are heading. I've never been to it, but most of these things are usually cruiser oriented and I don't really enjoy them too much anyway. I think the fact is that even if it was all sport bikes involved, or just motorcycles that I was more interested in general, I still wouldn't really enjoy it that much. It's just a lot of parking your bike and standing around. Not for me. Whoa, we got traffic circle construction Oh man. Am I stopping here, man? I was in that lineup for 5 to 10 minutes, but there is a row of traffic like 2 miles long coming from PEI trying to get through there, and I just slipped ahead of the whole bunch of them. It's definitely nice to see that they paved this section. It was in pretty desperate need. It's been a long time since I came through here. Really finding my butt starts to get pretty numb on this thing after a while. The riding position isn't too bad, but the stock seat gets tiresome after a while, which is pretty typical for a lot of bikes, really. Well, we're coming up on Shediac. It's like just about 11 o'clock now. I'm going to start making time here and just get home. So if you're still watching at this point, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Ring that little bell thing. You know what to do. You can come back and check out the next one. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Some fairing clips. Intake valve. Lifter. Oil seal. This would be the spring seat. Valve guide. The valve keepers. And the biggest thing is the head gasket. Like over $200 worth of stuff there, and 90% of it fits in a Ziploc bag. That's kind of depressing.